Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on cinema mode on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Cinema or theatre mode on the Apple Watch is good to put on when you are watching a movie or play. When cinema mode is on, silent mode will be enabled, and the screen will stay dark unless you press the digital crown side button or tap the screen. To turn it on, tap the side button to open the control panel. Scroll down and tap on the icon that looks like two masks. You can see that cinema mode is on from the home screen by the little masked icon at the top of the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.